The Blackview BV9200 is an upcoming rugged phone from Blackview. It's one of the few rugged phones with a 120Hz display. The device will be launching on the 9th of January 2023, which means this rugged phone would be one of the best mid-range rugged phones of 2023. It's currently available on AliExpress for $399.99, and just like many other rugged phones, the BV9200 is a feature-packed smartphone that is designed for durability, convenience, with a focus on photography and a smooth user experience. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, these are the top features of the Blackview BV9200. The Blackview BV9200 is a rugged smartphone with a metal frame and rubber corners that is designed to withstand rough conditions. It has a thickness of 13.6mm and weighs 320 grams, which makes it slightly thicker and heavier than some other smartphones on the market. But of course, it is not the thickest or heaviest rugged phone that I know of. The phone has a large 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with a high refresh rate of 120Hz, which should provide a smooth and responsive experience when using the phone. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass 5, which is known for its durability and scratch resistance. The Blackview BV9200 is powered by the Helio G96 processor, which is a mid-range chip that is capable of handling most tasks and games with ease. It also has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, with the option to expand the storage using an SD card. The RAM could also be expanded. It supports 6GB RAM expansion. The phone has a 5000 mAh battery and it supports 66 watts fast charging and 33 watts wireless charging. The battery of the BV9200 is very small compared to many other rugged phones that I know of, but its charging speed is very fast, one of the fastest, and of course its wireless charging speed is the fastest of all the rugged phones that I know of. With 66 watts fast charging and 33 watts wireless charging, you could be able to charge the BV9200 quickly when needed. The BV9200 has triple rear cameras with a main 50MP sensor, which should be able to take high quality photos and videos. The front facing camera has a 16MP resolution, which should be sufficient for selfies and video calls. The phone runs on Android 12 with a custom skin on top, which means that additional features and options will be added by the phone's manufacturer. It also has NFC support, which allows for easy and secure wireless payments and data transfer. The BV9200 is rated IP68 and IP69K for water and dust resistance, and it has also passed the military standard 810H testing, which means that it is designed to withstand harsh environments and conditions. Overall, the Blackview BV9200 appears to be a rugged phone with a large, high refresh rate display, powerful processor, plenty of RAM and storage, and a long-lasting battery. It also has advanced camera capabilities, NFC support, and like I mentioned earlier, it is currently priced at $399.99 on AliExpress. So what are your thoughts about the BV9200? Make sure to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.